Hello YouTube, today here we have a Gaggia Classic 2019 model and we're gonna solve one very common problem. The portafilter is not locking at place, it should be like here and it is here. So we will change the flange that is here because it's very hard, it's from rubber, and we will install a new one which is from silicone, it's more soft. So let's see how we can do this. We put the machine to lie down and I'm gonna show you just some few tools that you're gonna need. You need the digital caliper to measure the flanges, something sharp to take out the flange, a screwdriver, and then 5mm Allen key. Also you need the spare parts. So let's take this out. And let's look a bit closer here. We will unscrew this bolt. Okay, just be careful not to lose anything. Take out this. Now with the Allen we will take this out. It's a nice opportunity now to clean everything. If it is dirty, in my occasion everything is clean. Now with this sharp tool you will take out the old flange, which is rubber. This is it. It is very tight, and we will now clean a bit here with a kitchen paper, and we will install the new flange. Let's clean a bit here. If you have a brush, will be also good. And let's see now what they sent to us. Why did it like that? But we have to gasket should be appropriate for a machine, a cold machine, and should be for a table. If I would put some more force, it would be better. This is it. Okay. So this is what they sent to me. It looks like it's the same dimension, but we will check it. I think this is 1mm smaller. I think this is the wrong dimensions. Let's check this. I think the outer dimension is different. Let's see now. This is the original one. It's 73 millimeters, and this is not. It's obvious that it is not. You see? This is the wrong. Okay, we will not drink coffee today. So let's try to install it. Even it is different. It can go a bit inside. Okay, let's install the rest of the parts. Okay. Okay, and let's see how is the portafilter on it. Okay, this looks very good because it's just straight as we were expecting. Now I will make a coffee to test if everything is working okay. Let's see.